What is up, YouTube? Juice is here. I'm on my way to Michigan. I'm getting ready to go there. We just loaded everything into the car, so we're gonna get ready to go. I'm gonna be vlogging the whole experience so you guys can see it. So there's gonna be a lot of footage of the different areas we go to, us in the car getting ready to make our way there. So yeah, just stay tuned for all of the videos. All right, so we're in the car right now. Everything is in the car. Everything is back up in the trunk. We're gonna get ready to start heading out there. I'm gonna show some footage of us on our way there so you guys can see that. And then once we get there, I'll start back the video once we get ready to check in. Guys, we finally made it. We're here in Michigan. We just made it to the hotel, Four Winds Casino Resort and Spa and stuff. So we're heading there now to do the check-ins and everything, and then we'll head to the hotel. 580. So we're heading now to get some breakfast. This morning we went to the fitness center. We worked out about 8 this morning, so we're getting ready to go get some breakfast now and start our day. See, this is the casino. So they have a casino, but they've been really like dicky about us going there, and they've been like, oh, there's a whole minor policy, so you guys can, make sure you guys don't have any minors going in there and things like that. But they're taking us through here now so that we can go to the area where the food is at, but we can't play at all. Thank you. So we have to pretty much go around the entire casino just to get to this food area. think the people.
Have bands over.
Remember, because then she said the bands are going to be playing yesterday and today until 1 in the morning.
Oh.
They had bands playing. So the little food area is like right in the middle of where the casino is at.
Oh, yeah. Right.
So they got all day breakfast.
Oh, okay.
So you want a cheese omelet? I'm gonna get the Western omelet with no cheese. This is like just eggs with bacon or sausage and tossed. If you want to do that. I was gonna say you guys should go if you know what you
We
want
have
to get.
no idea what that. We don't need that.
Well, stand here with us. Then.
I'm gonna stare at the same thing.
These are the breakfast options.
And those are probably breakfast sandwiches. Just do that.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna go with
All right, so all the food is here. I got sausage, egg, and cheese sandwich. Here goes my dad's food, my mom's, and my little sister's food.
Jelly, probably jelly.
Everything looks all great. We're gonna go ahead and dig in. All right, so we just finished breakfast. We just finished breakfast. We're getting ready to head to the mall, I'm assuming. We're checking to see the weather and everything, but breakfast was all right. A little interesting. I had a sausage, egg, and cheese sandwich, but that's literally all it came with, was just that, and then like a melon. So I'm like, how am I supposed to get full off of that? So I know I'm gonna be eating later, or get some snacks or something. This game is $12,000. This one, the grand, is $12,000.
So you gonna go up to the room and grab you some?
Yeah, just a couple, not a whole lot. Since we have the dinner at 6 anyway, so as long as I just have a little something, in between, I should be good. That one game was $12,000.
Oh, we saw one. It's 15.
Oof. That one's 13.
Man, how much money they're gonna sit there and waste?
All of it.
Yep. Pretty much. Sun's out.
That's good. Hopefully it stay like that by the time we come back. It is.
God. Hey, I'm glad we did too.
Even almost fell out when I was finished. I thought when we was driving. She said we was here. I'm
Right.
like, huh?
Like,
I'm sorry, what was that? These look like houses. Yeah, this whole thing is I guess the mall. They just look like residentials. Yep, they got Michael Kors, Tommy Hilfiger. What's that down there? I don't know. I didn't know people still shop at Echo. I thought they'd been dead.
Yeah.
I thought that was long and gone.
I know.
We have a Gap down there, Columbia, Coach. Finish Line, Claire's. This had to been something. Nah, this had to been
like,
something.
Yeah, because it's like, it's an old.
I told them they probably
built it like this on
because
purpose.
it's called Lighthouse.
Yeah,
So they
weird,
probably
though.
went with the whole theme of looking like an old lighthouse.
That's what it looked like. Yeah.
Starbucks. Yes. Yeah, maybe that's what they was doing.
Yeah, that's what I
They was going with the whole idea of it looking like, you know, it was old, like it was, you know, originally something else and stuff, but it's actually, that's how they built it.
Because all of them is like that.
Yeah.
Wait, what is I put the thing on there?
So you ain't gonna buy nothing?
If anything, maybe the whatchamacallit, maybe the leather shirts or something like that. Because I'm trying to see if I wanted to get one of the Nike shirts from Finish Line, but I don't know.
Okay.
I'm trying to see. I don't know if I want to get one of those or something over here. I've seen a couple of jackets that was nice. But anything. Let me see.
You got enough to get you something from here and finish.
Oh yeah.
So maybe you should get something, you know, something from here and something from finish line.
No. Those are the ones. Just anything.
I mean, get something that's really cool, not something you just, you know what I'm saying?
I'm trying to see if I'm gonna do this shirt or this jacket. I don't
Let me
know.
see that jacket.
I'm trying to see.
That or what shirt?
Or this shirt right here.
Sweetheart.
Oh yeah, that's
Oh,
nice.
those nice. I like those.
What size do you need? You guys paying cash or card?
I have card. I don't. No, that's okay.
I should be getting everything set up. Got a decent amount of clothes. Replace all the stuff I had.
It was worth 15% off, or we just didn't have a sticker on that.
Hello.
Oh, you vlogging right now?
Are you recording me?
No,
He's
no,
vlogging.
not you. Myself.
Yeah, what you on TV or something?
YouTube.
It's going on YouTube, so you will be seeing.
Nah, I got it on me. You okay?
You got a YouTube channel?
Yeah. Bless you.
card or cash?
Cash. Thank you. Yeah, that's fine. Thank you. You too, thank you.
You're welcome. You want to finish?
Yeah, sure. We can go there and see if there's something in there.
You're on the phone with your girlfriend, she's upset, she's going off about something that you said. She doesn't get your humor.
Yeah, very interesting. I'll do that. Hello. What's up? Good, you? No, not right now, just looking. Alright.
Yeah. I see. Like these right here.
Come on, we know them not real.
All gray without the color.
Wow. These bogus too.
These are real.
No, it's not.
What is these?
I don't know.
Oh no, I have these.
You have these?
Yeah.
No, you don't have those.
Oh yes, I do.
You got those?
I didn't get. Mommy and Daddy got me those, but just in red and black.
Retro 11. You know how they have those ones? I guess they're supposed to be comfort or something. Or something.
This still look bogus. I don't like them.
That's why she don't wear them.
Those are the 11s.
He's got. Oh no, it's not. What is this? What's the card? Like
But they
shape.
don't look like that though.
Those. It looks similar.
No, because yours actually all the pattern goes all the way around. Like the regular ones, it's just called Retro 11 Comfort or whatever.
Well, those supposed to be the kid version, so that's
Those
why.
are
I
the
don't-
real ones.
No, it's not Daddy. What is these? Come on.
Those are fake sixes.
And these.
Oh.
Ooh. I need to quit playing. It's not bad. How much? So sell for 25. Ooh, we'll see about that.
You gotta try them on.
Nah, they didn't have no shirts. There was only one that was cool. LogicArt23@gmail.com. LOGIC ART23@gmail.com. No problem.
$139.10 right now. It's nice if you want to donate a round up to the Children's Foundation.
Yeah, that's fine.
Go ahead, push round up for me right there on the kiosk. And push that green button for me next. Cash your card.
Card.
Just ask another question on the kiosk. Use the numbers on the keypad to ask a question. 1 through 9 on how you felt today.
Okay.
You should be good at tapping this right up there.
I would say the Georgia Force.
You take them?
It took a lot of convincing, but I
All right, bad, bro. I heard him. I had him.
Good.
Please, yeah.
Get them right. Get them
Right.
right.
We just got these 2 yesterday. So
Oh, really?
He had it. Let him go. As soon as we, hopefully we get him in. So, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
We want him, buddy. Oh, I'm saying he want him. Go grab him for me. Yeah, he want him. Oh. You on the channel, man?
Yeah.
YouTube channel?
Yeah.
What you doing, man?
Gaming, reaction videos, and vlogs. Yeah, doing a vlog. We visiting out here. Oh, good. Appreciate it. Yeah. Really? Appreciate it, bro.
I got you.
But,
Yeah, I love the reaction videos, bro.
yeah.
I love them.
You play 2K?
Play 2K. You
Yeah.
look like you play 2K.
Yeah.
I really play COD a lot. That's
I
what
really-
I play COD like a lot.
Really?
2K, yeah. I
Yeah.
never play 2K with the guys. Play against some real quick. Sharpshooter, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, man. You know,
Yup.
I play 2K more than you.
yeah.
What's your build?
My build's 2-way inside out score.
Yup. That's what you
That's what I
got.
got.
Yeah,
I got a
small
regular
forward.
inside out.
I got a small forward. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, I got a 2K video up there on my channel right now. I gotta make another one.
Word.
Yeah.
Definitely gonna watch it, bro.
Yeah. Appreciate it, man. Thank y'all.
Yeah, for sure. Have a nice one.
All right, y'all too. You too. Thank you. Thank you.
You know, need a break from all of that.
Yeah.
Away from my computer.
Away from work.
Away from work. All of that.
We just finished shopping. We got some clothes from Guess. Got some new shoes. Yeah. It's my dad, guys.
Yo.
My sister.
What's up?
My mother. We're enjoying our trip down here in Michigan. Well, we're actually in Indiana right now, right? Yeah, we're in Indiana right now. But hotel we're staying at is in Michigan. We're at the mall, enjoying the nice weather. It's kind of hot.
Kinda hot.
Man.
Hey, blazing out here.
How much is this? Iced coffee. What did it say?
Homemade lemonade.
9, 10? Hello. No. Like I was like, no. Mm-mm.
Trying to take a picture of us.
Oh. All right, so we're here at Captain Mike's Fun Park. This is in Michigan. So we're back in Michigan, which means we're an hour ahead now. And we're gonna see what this place has. Look like they got some go-karts and some bumper cars and like a batting cage or something like that over there. So we'll see what this place has. My dad is vlogging too. It got hot, so we had to switch the outfits.
Oh, that's fine.
No, I'm just sitting on the sides.
Like even that right there. Go-kart.
Well, they got two
Where's the other
go-karts.
one?
They
Oh,
got
this one's right here.
And then there's one that's over
This
here.
one right
that's
here.
a big one.
Nobody's on there.
And
Uh-uh.
it's not working.
Uh-oh.
Well, they got a basketball or something. They got miniature golf.
Okay.
Yeah, this miniature golf.
They don't have no,
That's too many people. I saw them.
Really?
why they don't got no, they should have wristbands so that you can like pay to do whatever. Cause it seems like everything is separate and you gotta pay.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, cause see it say $8 go-karts, $8 bumper cars. No refunds or exchanges right at your own risk.
per person? But you know what? The good thing is we can just walk around. And if she wanted to do something, she can. Because I'm not going to do absolutely nothing. I mean, you know, Jay and
Huh?
Ain't doing nothing.
I'll vlog you doing stuff. I can put it on YouTube.
That's
Did
about
you want
it.
to do something? I mean, if you want to do something.
If you want to do
then
something,
we'll
you
let
can. We'll let you do
You
something.
No.
know, so you can enjoy it, you know.
Right.
They say those two are coin operated, which means you gotta
Which
have
one?
the batting cage and the bumper bolt
Okay.
water blasters. I think it's that one right there. I think that one is coin operated, so you have to have $1 in coins, I think.
And I thought they had an arcade, something around here.
Looks like it's up in here.
Oh, ATM and change machine in the game room. It must be on the other side.
Maybe so.
Oh, here's the basketball thing, huh?
Oh, is that the
That's
Yeah, it
Oh, yeah,
say.
it's a jump shot.
So I guess you
huh?
bounce in there and you shoot. I guess the ball. You have to try to shoot the ball over that.
Inside of there.
Yeah, you gotta. I think you go
I see,
in.
because they go to rims. So you got to go in there and you bounce.
They didn't upgrade their stuff. They're kind of old-fashioned.
Well, let me see what a bathroom is.
Y'all, this ain't it.
It ain't it. Ain't it at all. No. Something else. Some states they have.
We got. Yeah. I got cash here. Well, this is the money I had got from what I used. This is the change I got from.
Keep it.
Okay.
Okay, and then I'll come back and get tickets for that. Okay, thank you. No problem.
This is our code.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh.
Yes.
Extremely.
This is how it was when we was kids.
Really?
That's how it looked in the arcade. Like this. But the only difference is we had a whole bunch of video games, like cabinets, but we had
this
all
is-
of these surrounding us. That's how it looked.
They got the basketball ring right
Yeah. Here's the arcade piece.
Ooh, hold on. Let me show y'all the arcade. Yeah, so we're leaving there. No, we're just gonna go to the pool at the hotel instead. Because this is not it. Like you said, this is like Old Town Home.
That's all.
This about look equivalent to the American Eagle.
right. You know what? Ready. We need a towel. Like this all the way back here. You gotta go.
Pretty much to the entire casino just to get to here. Yeah, that's way too long of a path.
Man. That's all I'm saying.
Oh gosh.
That makes sense. Yeah, I got 4 seats.
Right, that's what
We
I'm
should have
saying.
came a little earlier.
Yeah, we should have.
Yep. I guess we got it right here.
There's only
Right in
got
now.
4 seats together.
Oh well. Yeah, that's the only one.
There's 3 over there. I was gonna say, did she count everybody? And both of us need 4 seats.
Right.
Yeah, we could have got our table.
Enough time. Go out and some movies.
Alright, so here's the food. That looks all good and everything. So we're gonna go ahead and taste the salad first and see what this loaded potato salad is. So we got loaded potato salad here. We got garlic mashed potatoes, salmon, fried shrimp, and a Caesar salad. So let's see.
Drove like 10 miles that way, and it's closed. I'm like, we went to the gas station, and they had Benadryl and like
Oh, that's pretty decent. Let's try the garlic mashed potatoes.
Came back to the room to like literally just like grab our stuff and
Okay, that's good. Alright, we're gonna see the salmon.
I mean, it is still okay.
Okay, the salad's pretty decent. Salmon's pretty decent. And then we got a fried shrimp right here.
And she's like, this is change room, this is a locker. So I'm like, so what stays on? She's like,
Oh,
okay.
everything's really good, guys. It's much better than yesterday's. It's actually pretty good. Alright, guys, we're here at this Oinks little ice cream place. I'll try this out and see what this is like. My mom said they had a lot of flavors to try, so I guess we're gonna see what they got, see what I want to get. I typically get like butter pecan or something, or like a cookies and cream, or just a regular vanilla or chocolate or whatever. But if they got a lot of different ones, I guess I'll try out some different ones then. So let's see.
Oh, so we're here at this place called Oinks. So we're at this place called Oinks, and it's an ice cream and yogurt place. There's a lot of people there. As you can see. It's up to you.
It's up to you. Okay, if I'm able to.
If you're able to.
I was telling her earlier, you know, some of these places don't like all of that.
Right, they don't.
Or they don't be too thrilled about that.
Unreal.
Okay.
Oh my God! Right here. Grandpa's sorry, we're not going to get up. What is it, sign? That's so smart. Blue Moon something? Planet Blue Moon?
Okay, so,
Thank you, Superman is what it is?
2 scoops of Superman in a I think yeah, jump us. Yeah, it's fine. Moved up.
that looks really good. Oh yeah, this is good.
Like she would on the beach.
Mm-hmm. Oh, thank you, Mom. Yeah, this is good.
It's down to here.
Yeah, it sucks.
Suck.
Bad. All right, y'all. We just finished the ice cream. It was very good. We're back here at the hotel. Oh, that's the music box right there. Oh, and oh, okay, yeah, I can hear it. We're checking to see if
like,
this music thing we can do it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The drummer.
Sound like a rock drummer. The way he playing.
Right here. Go ahead and play them, John.
The basic, when they don't know how to really play.
Right.
That's the basic. They play that for everything. But, and it be off time
Right.
and everything. Like, what? Talking about mommy, I'm cold. It ain't even cold outside. I do too. Me too.
Maybe it's a breeze that just ain't on me. What you do is just finish that. Oh no, it's my.
This is what the hotel looks like at nighttime. Here's the fitness center. This is where we were at earlier. We were working out. It's their little fitness center. Pretty small. That's good though.
Two sets, sir, not 2 songs. How many
Not this
people
music.
have ever had their heart broken? 3 people raise their hands. Liars. We all have at some point. This song goes out to the person that healed that little broken heart. It made me a daydream believer.
Daydream Believer. Piano.
Shirt on. Yeah. Like one of these little flary things that have tassels at the end. So you can tell
Not
she ain't
to
had
that
it,
one.
you know,
Just kidding.
I'm like, you need to go see some clothes.
Come on. I wanna do until you can't get enough. I wanna put on my boogie shoes and be with you. I wanna put on my boogie shoes and be with you.
You're next.
He's so stupid.
I wanna put on my boogie shoes and boogie with you. I wanna put on my boogie shoes and boogie with you. I wanna put on my boogie shoes and boogie with you. I wanna put on my boogie shoes and boogie with you. I wanna put on my boogie shoes and boogie with you. Thank you.
All right, y'all. So we got kicked out of the little area where they had the music going on because minors are not allowed there. So it's only 21 and older. So, you know, that's going to be it for this day. This night we're going to call it a night, get some rest and everything, and be back up in the morning for breakfast before we head out.